So this week's word of the week for week number 18 is force. Now I'm talking about force as a movement, not may the force be with you. No, not that type of force, okay? So now force is a push or pull of an object. A force can cause an object to accelerate, which means move forward or go faster. Slow down, it can pull it back. Or it can actually put the forces together and keep it in place, all right? So make sure you guys stay tuned for your Fast 5 workout as well as your activity of the day, and we'll get started in just a moment. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's Fast 5 workout number 18 consists of the following 4 exercises. Exercise number 1, we have in and outs. Exercise number 2, we have squats. Number 3, rope climbs. And number 4, we have tires. So make sure you stay tuned and don't, I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so here we go for Fast 5 workout number 18. Exercise number 1 is in and out. So we're gonna start with our feet shoulder width apart. Our shoulders and our feet should be lined up like we're in a box. And we're gonna go in with our feet and then out. In and out. That's why I call these in and outs. So that's exercise number 1. Exercise number 2, we're gonna go with our feet shoulder width apart once again. And we're gonna do squats. We're gonna drop our bottoms as low as we can go. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and turn to the side angle. Now when we go low, I don't want to see you guys hunch over like this with your bottom sticking out. Make sure you are dropping your bottom like you're in a chair, okay? So that's number 2 is squats. Number 3, we're gonna go on down to the floor and we're gonna do rope climbs. So what we're gonna do is be completely on our backs. Our legs are gonna go straight up in the air. And then what we're gonna do is get our right hand to touch our left foot, left hand to touch our right foot. So it looks like this. And we're gonna go across our back, kind of like you guys are climbing a rope. And last one, we have tires. So we're gonna pretend we have tires. If you guys have ever ran through tires, you go side to side like this. So we're gonna pretend we have 3 sets. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, turn around. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, and keep going back and forth. If you guys wanna put some tape on the floor, if you wanna draw some circles or have some paper plates, those are all options as well. So make sure you guys get ready for your Fast 5 workout number 18, and we'll get started in just a moment. In 3, 2, 1, and go. Let's go. In and out. Okay. Open and close. Open and close. In and out. Let's go. You want to challenge yourself? You want to stay on your toes all the time? You can slow down, step it up. Something you can slow. Whatever works for you, my friends. Let's go. In and out. Alright, we're going on to squats in 3, 2, 1, and go. Squats and drop down low. As low as you can go. Remember, pretend there's a chair behind you. Good job. Good work, my friends. Remember the motto. Just finish. Don't quit. Just finish. Rope climbs coming up soon. All right, going down. Count it off. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Rope climbs. Remember, across your leg. Climb that rope. All right, let's go. Tires. We're gonna go 4. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, switch. 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 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, switch. Keep going. Great job. Notice that I'm chopping my arms. Making a little more dynamic. All right, great job. 1 minute rest, 1 minute rest. Okay. Woo! That's really good. Here, you gotta get some water. If you guys are enjoying this workout, make sure you guys don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to the channel. We are on Fast 5, number 18, 17 live videos for you guys to check out. Make sure you guys check out 1 through 17. And if you guys have been doing every single Fast 5, drop a comment down below. Let me know what was your favorite one, why, what was your most challenging Fast 5 workout, and why as well. Got 20 seconds left, my friends. Again, we're starting over. Back up top, we got those in and outs. I'm not talking about the burger crawl. No, we're here to work out, get it together. So, again, number 1, in and out. 7 seconds left. Great job. Remember, whenever you do anything in life, just finish, all right? That's the motto. All right, here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. In and out. Good, just open and close. Great job. Don't give up. Just finish, my friend. Okay, breathing. In and out. Take breath in through your nose. Out through your mouth. Good job. 5 more seconds. We got squats. Push yourself harder. Here we go. Push your butt and go. And start to lower. How low can you go, my friends? Good job. Let's go. Turn the wheel. Can you go lower than me? Drop it all down below. All right, rope climbs, let's go. On your backs. Here we go, starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Let's go, last one, last one. Tires, we're on 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn around. Good job, turn around, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you need to walk out, that's okay. 4, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, go at your own pace. Do your best. On your toes. All you got, let's go. And time, my friends. Great job. Give yourself a high five. Pat yourself on the back. All right, great job. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout number 18. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought about the workout. What was your favorite exercise? What was your least favorite exercise? Drop a comment down below. And as always, at the PE spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today we have a very fun game for you, and it is called Angry Birds. So make sure you stay tuned and don't go anywhere. All right, so for this game, you're gonna need a few items. So I got a piece of paper, I folded it in half, and then I folded it again into fourths, And then from the forwards, I made it straight, and then I folded it in half one more time. So that's gonna be our bird. You do need a rubber band. You can use a resistance band. You can use anything that's gonna be like a catapult, so definitely use that. You'll need a chair and a bucket or a laundry basket, something that you're gonna be able to shoot the item into the target. All right, so for this video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a 1-minute challenge. We're gonna see how many times we get our Angry Birds inside of the bucket. So make sure you guys stay tuned, and I'm gonna go and demonstrate. All right, I'm gonna put 1 minute on the clock. As you can see, I have my rubber band here. I'm gonna place it right on the string of both, and then I'm gonna shoot it out and try to make it in. 2, 1, go. One. 2. 'All right, here drawing goes. 1 minute challenge starting now. 3, 2, 1, go. Good try, almost there. Oh, hit the rim. Oh, there's one. Seconds left. Well, we hope you enjoyed that game of Angry Birds. A very fun game for the whole family. Make sure you guys stay tuned for future content. And please, 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 please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let us know, what was your highest score? How'd you guys feel about the game? Let us know in the comment section below. Until next time, take care.